Hydroxyapatite is a natural occurring material form of calcium apatite. It is primarily of calcium and phosphorus. It is a bioactive material that will support bone ingrowth and osseointegration. It is a major component of bone and teeth, which give them the strength and structure. In addition to its biological significances, it is used in various medical applications such as bone grafts, dental implants, coating of orthopedic devices due to its biocompatibility and ability to promote bone structure. There are lots of advantages of using a eggshell as a source. Although based on the researches or literature, we realize that there are lots of natural resources or biological resources like fish bone, eggshell plant, and seed shell used in the time past for the synthesis of hydroxyapatite. But due to the readily available of calcium oxide, because it's an household waste material, and barely every household, most especially in this nation or in our locality, consume egg daily. So due to the readily availability of it, and also it is it is less expensive. Then number two, due to the high calcium oxide content, because when we are talking about synthesis of hydroxyapatite from eggshell, not that we are using the eggshell directly, but we need to synthesize our calcium oxide that needs to react with some other chemical to form to form hydroxyapatite. So with that, based on the researches and also what we obtained from the laboratory, we discovered that eggshell has a high content of calcium oxide. Then thirdly, hydroxyapatite derived from eggshell retain its biocompatibility, making it a suitable material for medical application such as dental implants. The major primary component of eggshell is a calcium carbonate, and based on the literature, we realize that 95% of calcium carbonate is composed of eggshell is composed of about 95% of calcium carbonate, and it is this calcium carbonate that we undergo what we call a thermal decomposition. When it decomposes through calcination process, it will give a calcium oxide and a carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide is a gas leaving behind calcium oxide, that is a whitish substance, which is a calcium oxide. Then number two, it also contains about a lot of organic matrix, like organic material that influence the synthesis, and also a protein that influence the synthesis of hydroxyapatite. Then lastly, it also contains some trace elements such as magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, and all these elements in one way or the other contribute to the synthesis of hydroxyapatite. Number one, NASENI can foster innovative waste management solution aligned with suitable practices and reducing the environmental impact. Based on the NASENI 3C agenda by our amiable EVC that talks about the creation, collaboration, and commercialization. Although I mentioned earlier that innovative waste management, we cannot talk about the innovation without the creation. Creation give birth to innovative, so they are working hand in hand. So NASENI can foster innovative waste management, in of which NASENI have been dealing with a solid waste management already. I think NASENI can also go into agro waste management, like eggshell. It's not only eggshell we're having as agro waste, but we can also go into that in order to reduce the environmental impact in our community. Then secondly, NASENI can facilitate partnership between academic institutions, that is collaboration. This time when we're talking about partnership, we are talking about collaboration between academic institution and industry to develop processes that leverages eggshell for hydroxyapatite synthesis during using a local waste material for industrial application, can boost local economy and jobs which addresses SDG, that is a sustainable development goals in all over the world, not only Nigeria at large. Then lastly, NASENI can lead initiation that encourage eco-friendly production method and material.